Have you ever noticed this? Your phone doesn't freeze, apps don't crash, nothing is technically broken, but somehow, it still feels slow. You tap an app, and there's a tiny pause. You switch screens, and it feels delayed. Not enough to complain about, but enough to be annoying. Here's the interesting part. The problem isn't always performance, it's perception. Most smartphones today are actually very fast. Even mid-range phones can process actions almost instantly. So why do they feel slow? The answer is animations. Your phone uses animations everywhere. Opening apps, closing apps, switching between screens, pulling down menus. Even simple taps have visual effects. These animations are designed to look smooth and modern, but they come with a hidden cost. Time. Even if your phone finishes the task immediately, the animation forces you to wait, and your brain interprets that waiting as lag. To your brain, speed isn't about processing power. It's about how quickly something responds after you touch the screen. So when there's a delay, even a short one, your brain says, "This phone is slow." That's why many people think their phone is outdated after just 1 or 2 years. Not because the hardware is weak, but because the experience feels sluggish. This effect is especially noticeable on older or mid-range phones, where animations may not run as smoothly. But here's the surprising part. It happens on flagship phones too. Even the fastest phones still use animations, and animations always add delay. So what's the solution? You don't need new hardware. You don't need booster apps. You don't need risky tweaks. You just need to reduce or disable system animations. When you lower animation scale, you're not increasing performance. You're removing visual friction. Apps open faster not because they are faster, but because you're no longer forced to wait. Menus feel instant. Navigation feels snappy. Your phone suddenly feels newer. The processor hasn't changed. The RAM hasn't changed. Only your perception has. This is why changing animation scale works so well. It doesn't fake speed. It reveals the speed your phone already had. Once you understand this, you realize that slow phones are often just badly tuned experiences. Small changes in system behavior can completely change how your phone feels day to day. If your phone feels slow, the issue may not be speed. It's how long you're forced to wait between actions. And once you remove that waiting, everything feels different. For more simple phone optimizations that actually make a real difference, check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.